Maggie, 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 dead, dead, dead.
Is that working out?
Remember this moment, remember you were here, and tell people we were here for the miners, for the Hillsborough, for the Hillsborough strikers, for each and every one of our communities, and we're here for the future, so it's not just a dance. We're tramping the dub down, but when we tramp it down, we will grow something new for that stuff.